Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Well, today is Friday Freebie Special Edition again. So we've got our beautiful garden path calendar. We've got, you know, this year seems like it's just flying by. I don't know if it feels that way to you guys, but it just, yeah, to me it seems like it has flown and flown and flown, and I don't know, maybe a little bit of a blur or something. I don't know. Anyways, we have had so many beautiful paper dolls, just adorableness, and we have gone through our year making our stacked image pockets, sharing our freebies with our beautiful dolls. I mean, wow. We've gone through so many. I'm like, whoa, is it really already time to do the July one? I mean, really? Seems like we just finished January. Yeah. May. Just so much prettiness. Look, even if you're not doing the calendar, there's lots of things you can fussy cut out in this. There just is. Loads and loads and loads of prettiness. Isn't that adorable? I mean, really. It is. Okay. I love her smile. She looks so peaceful. Okay, we're on to July, okay? The lazy, hazy days of summer, right? Because it's definitely, July gets hot, August gets hot, then we finally at the end of September, where I am, start getting a cool down a little bit. July, I don't know, I guess it's never really been one of my absolute favorite months. It's always hot. I don't do hot very well. It's just, I don't. You guys let me know if you like the hot, or maybe, I think I like spring and fall, you know. Lots of color. The temperatures aren't terrible. You can enjoy things a little better. When you have extreme weather, you go, oh, it's too hot, or it's too cold, you know, that kind of thing. So July, picnics, right? We have our pretty writing page there. Let me scooch this up a little bit. And the kids are having their picnic. This is going to be our stacked image page pocket, because this is our big page. Just prettiness, prettiness, prettiness. Our writing page, our paper dolls, just having a good time. And isn't she sweet? But yeah, there we go. Our paper dolls, and those are made big enough to where you could cut them out and do like I did for my gallery. No, not August. We'll save August for next special edition, right? The paper dolls are so pretty. They're just full of sweetness. And, you know, who doesn't want to have a picnic? I think in July I would probably rather have a picnic inside. That's just me, though. I mean, you know. Okay, let's get this pocket. I think I'm trying to remember. It's 3.5, right? Right? Three and a half. And that gets us our pocket. We'll save that for extra stuff. Okay, we're going to go to scoreboard mode and get our gussets made. It's just, I don't know. I've loved doing this calendar. I'm hoping you guys are loving it too. It's so much fun. We don't lose any of the prettiness on the page because we're stacking our image, right? And if you wanted to leave extra on the top and fold it over, that's fine. You can do that. I didn't do it because I hadn't done it on the, maybe next year I'll start turning them over. But I wanted it to be, let me put that away. I wanted it to be not noticeable. If there's nothing in the pocket, you know, you don't know the pocket's there, right? I'm still using mine in my planner, my calendar. Mine are written all over and very well used, you know, that kind of thing, because that's what I do. So I'm just going to take out, as we do, we're going to take out this little wedge there, and this one over here. You just need a little bit to get that. It's in your way if you don't take it out, you know. And I'm going to take just a little bit of a wedge off there. If you're new to making these pockets, as I've said before, start from the fold line and go out, okay? Makes it easier to get your wedge right, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I don't know. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so we're going to put our tape on here, get our pocket down. July. I'm still shocked. I am. I'm like, wow, where did the time go, right? We've done so many things this year already. And we're going to do so many more things. Keep your eye out for next month, for July, because I'm doing Christmas in July this year. Friday freebie style, okay? So, yeah. Look out for mini journals and things of that nature with a Christmas theme, because, you know, Christmas in July. And if you don't do Christmas, cover up the Christmas tree and call it something else. I'm just saying. You can, you know. Anyways, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Got a new journal kit coming out in July that has nothing to do with Christmas. So if you don't do Christmas, hang around for that. It's going to be all about peace and paper dolls and lighthouses and things like that. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to try to line this up right like so-ish. Yeah. I'm looking at the tablecloth and the dresses and the pants and all the things, trying to get it as straight on there as I can. See, he's got pants. That tablecloth needs to line up, because if you don't want the pocket to be noticeable, that's where it's going to be noticeable or not, okay? Excuse me. Okay. All right, let's do this side first, because it's close to the edge, right? Okay, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. This is a rather big book. I want this edge over here to be down really good. Okay. Pretty good. I won't complain about it. So, all right. Here we go. All right. Let me get my... Excuse me. Gosh. Get my brayer and give it a roll. Keep my voice going here. Golly Bob. Okay. Cute. All right. July. These pages are going to be available on my website, Ko-Fi, Facebook group page. There's 5. 1, 2, 3. Print this one twice if you're doing the stacked image pocket. That's already counted. 4 and 5. We already counted that one again. But you can print them out or back them however you want. So, yeah, 5 pages. If you want the PDF, I put those. I can't get them to work on my website, but I put them on Ko-Fi and the Facebook group page if you want the PDF. Other than that, you get JPEGs on the website. So, to me, they work just fine as a JPEG, but I know different people have different preferences. So, there's that. Okay. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay. Friday Freebie Special Edition. And remember, I got a new journal kit coming out for July. All my members will get it automatically. I'm just sending it to you. If you're a member on Ko-Fi or the YouTube channel membership, either one, you get the quarterly journal kit. So there's that. If you're not a member, then you can buy the kit in my website shop. I'm working on getting some more things in there and available. Things that I'm making. So kind of check the shop every now and then for actual physical items and journal kits. So yeah. All right. You guys have fun. Get you something really fun to do here. Take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.